Right, one quick bike check. So, SEABOARD GR02 frame, alloy frame, carbon fork, group set, Shimano Alivio 1x9. I got an 1142 in the back and 3040 up front. PDM 520 pedals, Heroic XXC crank. Got Ferrino hydro ball mechanicals, pretty good. And the hubs, I don't know actually. That's what they look like. Got two bottle cages. Got a Sagmet Concord seat post with textured and has this cool finish on it. STG saddle. Sagmet drop bar. Timor stem. Passe cap. Sagmet concept shifters 9-speed. And Bontajur LT2 700 by 38 wheels. And the rims, I don't know. It just says double wall. That's it, guys. Mountain Peak bottom bracket. Right there. Size medium. Love it. That's it for today. Thank you very much.